Hello, I'm Wayne Ozarzak with Mr. Handyman, and today we are going to be replacing an old mailbox with a new one. A home improvement that will add curb appeal to your home. First, we'll remove the old mailbox and break up any concrete at the base if needed. We'll determine the location of the new mailbox. Make sure you meet the location requirements of your town. In this town, it's 6 inches from the curb and 40 inches or less above the street. Using a post hole digger, dig a hole to 20 to 24 inches deep. Make sure it is large enough for the post being used. Next, level the post and check the height. Then add cement or gravel to secure the post. For this demonstration, we are using gravel. It will make any future replacement easier. Once the gravel is in place, recheck the post to be sure it's level. Now we'll install the new mailbox over the 4x4 post and secure it to the post using screws. To ensure that we are within the town's location requirements, we'll once again check the height and the distance from the street. If you need help installing a mailbox replacement at your home or are planning a much larger project, please contact Mr. Handyman, your one-stop for a wide range of home maintenance and repair solutions.